What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka Maia Club Umjalasiaw kalara ya kanam lahduh hak second division football tournament Joybel Suyam Memorial Trophy bala penyai da Thadlaskein Sports Association TSA. Kani kala wandong hadin baka Maia Club Umjalasiaw kala pendram ya kabam kamar SC Dalai la iway hak jingele kai final kabala long Hamadan Multi Sports Complex Wayajer hak khatsan tarik risau. Yaki kol jong ka Maia Club Umjalasiaw la thap da u Gabriel siang shai haka minute chipo but lemiki dekar haka minute ripuway but minute nyopo kat ba ya ka shikol jong ka bam kamar la thap da u dancing melim haka minute laipun rio. Ka lahduh kalayo ra ya ka song pisa ka ba sapo wajar tingka kat ba ka lahduh ba ar kalayo ya ka song pisa ka ba arpo wajar tingka. La samru ya ki kusnam best player but top scorer la yo daw lemiki dekhar but best goalkeeper la yo daw dami dekhar baro arngot kidai na Maia Club Umjalasiaw. U kongsan balawan sakhi ya kani ka final uday u executive member JHADC JC Suyam ha ka jingdon lang kinongelam bat khot nongkit kam ka TSA bakan thup na du president kemenlang shla vice president mutchwa thaba na lor secretary shnong waejer Andrew Sari bat kiway.
President of the Asian Club, Ashwayonga, Vice President Mahmud Chwatabak, Kinong Kikam, Kitkon, the executive body, Yung Kikam, Yung Thadlaskein Sports Association. QN the responsibility to a ticket, the Jukit to a Kia. Kalau kita pakai kerana lagi stand di dalam, kita sadari, mari umur ni, umur, jadi piar, jadi kon, dia ni, dia makok bidang kita, awak berusaha, dia Thadlaskein. Kemudian pun, Ma Presiden, dia kecing pelai baik pelai nanti dia pi, dia kecing kekeh dia pi, lalu Sekretari Presiden kita kau tiongkan nasional dia jalan. Unongkong agen sipau kan absen. Yok dia ni.
Hello. Sekarang filmo yang jadi supporter yang jadi kepada ketua yang pusat yang di Bangkama dan yang Jesu sampai tak pasti yang tak pasti mah.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.